I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not.
What's up, you guys? Back at it again with another video. Yes, if you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you one of my glam dolls from the Glam Doll Gang, make sure y'all hashtag that ish. But welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I can't sing, but y'all get it. So today I'm bringing y'all natural, not natural, this is nothing natural about this, okay, but a everyday regular schmegular degular look, you know what I'm saying. My sister actually asked me to do this a long time ago, and I'm pretty sure I did it, but I did it on Facebook Live, so my bad. Shout out to my sissy poo though. Hey, I see you. I did it. But this is like my everyday makeup look, nothing major, you know, just a little lip gloss, lip liner, whatever, some lashes. My brows they alright, you know, they alright. I'm still popping though with the glove, but this is the look that I came up with. It's not really a look, it's just an everyday thing. But I showed all the products that I used. If I didn't, I will have it listed down below or on my Instagram. So if y'all do want to know the products that I use, make sure y'all check out my Instagram. It will be down below, but it is at Sherry_Chapman. I'm thinking about doing a whole new Instagram, so y'all just keep on high alert for that. But this is what I came up with here, y'all. So I hope y'all like it. I hope y'all enjoy. And if y'all are new, please comment, like, and subscribe. Let's bring in the new year with some new subbies. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get that 2K subscribers, y'all. Help me get there. But I really do appreciate all of y'all. Those of y'all who watch, those of y'all who comment, like, subscribe, whatever the case may be. And I'm just happy y'all here. That's it. That's all. But yeah, let me not ramble on too much. Let's get into this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.